Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. My name's Sharon Holt, and for the phrase of the week this week, we're using this word kōrero, which I think most people know means talk. Probably even people who don't know any Māori language know that kōrero means talk. Kōrero is the pronunciation. Kōrero, and there's a macron here. Kōrero. And we've got two of our books in our series of Reo Singalong books with kōrero in the title. Kōrero mai, which means speak to me, speak towards me. And this one, kōrero Māori ai, which is I speak Māori. Kōrero Māori ai. And that one's a lovely one about speaking Māori in lots of different places. But what I thought I'd do for the phrase for this week is to add this word before it. And if you've been looking at some of our other phrases, you'll know that this means let's. And that is let's talk. Me kōrero, let's talk. So sometimes there'll be somebody in the family or in the classroom or in the workplace that you need to have a chat to about something. Might not be something too serious, might be serious. And so me kōrero is a really nice phrase to know how to say. Me kōrero, let's talk. Hopefully you'll be able to use that one this week. It's not too hard. Me kōrero. Ka kite.